Hey, I'm Eren. In this video I'm going to talk about this brand new European project I'm part of, which is called DOC-3D-Printing. This project is about 3D printing of ceramic materials.
But actually, what are ceramics?
Ceramics are all around us. We are using them every day and we don't even notice that. This includes so many things such as tiles, bricks, plates and toilets. They are also performing critical tasks in so many applications like automobiles, electronics, airplanes and even medical implants. Depending on their manufacturing processes, ceramics can be dense or lightweight. They can be harder than metals and more efficient than plastics, so they have promising properties. However, to give them a complex shape is still a challenge.
But there is a solution. Additive manufacturing can help us.
Excuse me, what is additive manufacturing?
Additive manufacturing, you may know this as 3D printing, regroup processes to manufacture 3D objects layer by layer. Some processes can be based on laser or UV light. Some use only powder and others a mixture of several components.
Well, I know what's the next question is gonna be. What we are exactly doing in this project?
Actually, some researchers have already achieved very good results with additive manufacturing of ceramics, mainly in the medical field. For example, for bone replacement. Who'd say that? However, the processes are not perfect yet. That's why this group has been created. Joining our forces, we are going to work on the optimization of several additive manufacturing technologies, from the raw material, ceramic pounders, to the final part, investigating each step of the process from the design to the post-treatment printing.
But isn't that too much work?
Well, we gathered a team of 14 PhD students working on all the aspects of the project in collaboration with 4 different universities, an association, 2 research centers and 7 companies. I don't know. I'm not very sure. So, thank you for watching. If you need more information, don't forget to visit our webpage.
Hi, I'm Pedro Navarrete. I work on laser processing of bioceramics for medical applications.
Hi, my name is Alejandro Monton and I work on silicon carbide-based 3D printed materials for space applications.
Hello, I'm Chiro. I'm working on hybrid biojetting machine with ceramic materials.
Hello, I'm Barkaz Islam. I'm working on 3D printed bioceramics for bone regeneration.
Hello, I'm Giovanni and I'm working on tailored ceramic pounders.
Hello, I am Muhammad Da'i Said and I am working on the investigation of the optimal parameter in the 3D printing of ceramic.
Hello, I'm Nicolas and I'm working on the 3D printing of bone substitute implants.
Hi, I'm Chloe and I'm working on the optimization of the stereography process.
Hi, I'm Ambra and I'm working on extremity joint processes.
Hey, I'm Eren. I'm working on 3D printing of ceramic, metallic, multi-material printing.
Hi, I'm Rizwan. I'm working on 3D printing of multi-component bioceramics.
Hello, I am Asifur Rahman and I'm working on selective laser melting of ceramics.